Welcome back to the House of Pawlyk. It's 2026 and we are back on vacation. Adventure Mom, why don't you tell us what we're doing today?
All right, today we're in Oahu, Hawaii. We're gonna hike the trail to the Makapuʻu summit. Think I'm saying it right. It's a nice paved trail. It's about 1.5 miles. Great whale watching and it's whale season, so come on. We decided right as we started to veer off to the right. There's this unpaved trail here that takes you down to the beach. So we're gonna go check out the shoreline first. We'll go back and then hike all the way up to the summit.
Okay, so when we were trying to go down to the trail to the beach, it became too muddy, so we have to pivot and we're gonna go back up the mountain.
This mud. Look at all the mud.
Look at my shoes, they're covered.
Yep, we're already covered.
I tried to go.
All right, back to our regularly scheduled program. No more detours. All right, we are back on the regular scheduled path. I tell you, even though it's paved, it's straight uphill. It's pretty tough, but the view is absolutely bananas. Literally looks like you're looking out into Jurassic Park. Can't beat that. And it beats the over 20 inches of snow back home. All right, we are a few minutes into the hike. V, what do you think?
This is harder than the last hike we did Waimea Falls last time we were here.
Yeah, it's hotter today. It's like straight up.
It doesn't even get a flat part.
Nope. What about you, Bubs? How you feeling?
It's been a few minutes, but it has been a few miles.
Yeah?
It's been like 3 or 4.
Yeah, and we're still going. How you doing, Pepe?
It's okay, my legs are hurting.
You want your trusty walking stick back that you found?
No, I'm good.
Hey, did find a great walking stick. She's letting me use it, that little sweetie. Look at that view, man. I told the adventure boy, Bubby, that after this hike, his body and his limbs, like his ankles and his knees, would be thanking him for this exercise. And what are they doing to you?
They're shooting me with the bow and arrows.
With bow and arrows? So your body is not thanking you?
No.
Could you believe it? His body is not thanking him. All right, we're almost there.
I can't do nothing.
What are you gonna do at the top? Backflip?
No.
Do you have the energy?
Run straight down and break a knee.
All right, what if you want to roll into a ball and I'll roll you down the whole hill?
Yes.
All right, cool. We just hit our third lookout. We bypassed number 2. And this third lookout, a sanctuary for the humpback whales. Getting closer to the top. There it is up there. See if I can zoom in. One more. Right up there where those people are standing. We are so close. You gonna make it, V? What about you, Pedro? No, you're not gonna make it? Oh no. Oh, Beckham's decided he's gonna run it. He's running the last leg. Oh, he quit. It is tough. All right, we're gonna take a water break. Be right back. All right, we are almost to the top, but we took another quick detour. We found a little path that comes out to these little huts. I don't know what they are. This one looks like it used to be like a part of a fort or something. A lookout tower. All right, we just hit lookout number 4. And this one has a nice lighthouse. Like way ships. Little paths to get there, but I don't think you can down there. All right, we finally made it to the summit. A few more stairs to go. We just walked probably 743,000 miles straight uphill.
It's literally like a mile and a half.
1,000 miles. It's 1,000 miles. 1,000. All right, here we go. The last few stairs. The last few stairs. And we'll be at the top. And here we are. Finally made it. There's our lighthouse. Here comes the last of the adventure, fam. All right, guys, we made it. How do you feel?
I thought it was awesome.
Accomplished?
Yeah, it was great.
What's your body saying, Bubby? No, you got paid. Oh, she's right there. Is your body thanking you yet? No? All right. Maybe tomorrow. How about you, Pay? I know it wasn't your favorite, but you made it. How do you feel? You don't know? How do you feel about that lighthouse? That's pretty cool, huh? We should see if we can get in there.
Sure.
All right, we made it to the summit. We're on our way down. We're very close to the bottom. We lost the two littles. Who even knows? All right, Avo, tell me, how was it overall?
It was really good. It was pretty hard, but I like a good challenge. And it felt good, like accomplishing it when I got to the top, and like we got to see whales, and it was awesome.
Mommy, what do you think?
It's way easier going down than going up. Also, it was so worth it. We saw so many whales.
So many whales.
Loved it. And the two little ones that thought it was so hard going up have now run the whole way down. So
Yeah, they've run the
there's
whole
that.
way
It
down.
wasn't even hard.
All right, off to the next thing. We got, what do we got coming up?
Cage diving.
Oh, cage diving again?
Tomorrow. We're gonna hit Turtle Beach while we're on the North Shore.
We're driving, yeah, driving.
We're gonna do the road to Hana when we get to Maui, which that'll be next week. Helicopter tour, and
I mean,
I think that's it.
Maybe some shopping?
yeah.
Oh, yeah, I think we're gonna go to downtown Waikiki and get myself a little treat.
All right, we'll see you guys there.